Oh, he said he got 1,150 BT brinjal seedling, and he cultivated two field, but all the seedlings are damaged due to disease. This is local variety, but this is also alive, still alive. This is no problem. But all the BT brinjal seedling are damaged.
Right. And what was the disease? And what was the cause?
Maybe wilt disease. Type of insecticide.
না পোকা ধরে
পোকা ধরে না। আপনার কি বেগুন হয়েছিল? দু একটা হয়েছিল?
হ্যাঁ
হয়েছিল। পোকা ধরছে?
না।
He said he got some fruits from the BT, and he found no infestation of British fruit and fruit borer. For that he is also happy. But কিছু বেগুন সহ গাছ মারা গেছে।
হ্যাঁ বেগুন সহ বেগুন ছাড়াও মরছে।
বেগুন ছাড়া মরছে। He is saying that some also plants with bearing also died due to disease.
Plants due to what?
Died for due to disease.
Which plants?
BT.
Oh, okay.
He got some small amount of fruit,
Right.
but he is happy that he said that this variety is free from any brinjal shoot and fruit bar resistant. There is no infestation of this
Right.
fruit. Now this is local.
This is a local variety.
Local variety.
And what's the performance of this been? Has he had a good crop from the local variety?
আচ্ছা বলতেছে এটা কি বিটি থেকে এটা কি ভালো নাকি?
এটা ভালো হয় কিন্তু এটা ফুক ধরে এটা ফুক ধরে না।
He said this is also good, but this also infested by brinjal shoot and fruit borer.
And has he had to spray this one?
আর আপনি কি কোনো ওষুধ ছিটাছেন এটাতে?
ওষুধ কালকা দিছে ওখানে দেওয়া ধরছে আগে দিছি না।
Yesterday he also sprayed insecticide. This is brinjal shoot and fruit borer.
So this is in their conventional variety, right?
Yeah, conventional variety.
আর ওই যে একটা গারেকটা দিছেন ই করে তো দিছেন অনেক তলে ফলায় এরপর অনেক আঙ্গুল গার যোগাযোগ করেন না
হয় না এইজন্য আর কি যে he is saying that if BT gene is inserted this type of variety he is interested to cultivate. দিছিলাম
এটা দিছে তো শীতকালে যে এটার তো সিজন কে আছে পরে দিছে আগুনি ধান দেওয়ার পরে দিছে আগুন কোষ মাসে দিছে।
He also saying that the seedling should be cultivated in the due time. We supply at the March, April এর দিকে আমরা কোন মাসে এতে না শীত after winter. No, he said it is more applicable at the April. April is a suitable time for cultivating the brinjal in this area.
So they cultivated this too early or too late?
Too early.
Okay.
Too early.
And so then the floods came, right? It was too wet or something for it.
Now that time also very drought.
Oh, drought.
There was a drought. After drought there was heavy rainfall.
Huh.
That is why the disease also spread over the field.
Right.
And BT brinjal variety is very applicable or suitable at the winter.
Right.
But farmers they cultivate it at the summer.
Right.
This year for summer no problem, but in case of BT brinjal there will be problem. The farmers also interested to such kind of local variety with BT gene, as because they apply more and more pesticide to control the brinjal shoot and fruit borer, but this type of pesticide does not work properly. So they want to insert this type of gene in local variety and they will be more beneficial or more benefited.
এটা সব কিছু সবাই এইভাবে করতেছে
The farmers are saying that after application of the pesticide in the crops they harvest and they sell in the market, and this is also very harmful to us, but the farmers does not know about the harmful effect of the pesticide on the crops as well as human body. They say I am saying that the pesticide is very much toxic to human body, and they reply we have no alternate way to control this pest, so we are bound to apply the pesticide to control the pest.
মাসে কোন নিচে 4 বার দিলে 10 দিনে বেশি না 10 দিন পর আবার টোকা করা ধরে মাসে 4 দিন
They are saying that in a month at least 4 times of pesticide should be applied in the field. 4 times in a month. This is at least maximum as much as possible to control this brinjal shoot and fruit borer.
So what was he just saying?
He's very much conscious farmers, and he said a few days ago a woman came from an NGO, non-government organization, and she said if you eat any BT brinjal you will be face a cancer. A cancer may be occur due to having of BT brinjal. But the farmers replied that how can it possible, as because if you apply a pesticide again and again it will be more harmful to us, but gene it is cannot be harmful to us, so it is safer than the to comparing in the pesticide application of pesticide.
And the NGO people,
Yes, NGO people.
did they say that pesticides were harmful or not? They don't seem concerned about pesticides, no?
No, they are not so concerned. They are concerned about the BT. He ate not he also himself, but also his whole family. He ate the BT brinjal, but he is still alive, not die.
দিক দিয়ে গেল আমরা সব দিক দিয়ে আমরা ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হচ্ছি
He's saying that brinjal cultivation is profitable, but due to infestation of brinjal shoot and fruit borer, he have to use many times of pesticide. As a result, the outcome or return is not so much good for him. He wants such kind of variety that can be resistant to brinjal shoot and fruit borer, and he wants to some variety with local variety with BT.
আসলে তুমি কাজ করবে তো সব জায়গায় খালি খালি এই জান
So
সবজি করব
he's saying that the brinjal shoot and fruit was just starting. Fruit is starting,
মাত্র শুরু
and
হচ্ছে
attack is also starting. It will be spread all over the field, and it will be more severe in future.